With Kaspa getting dangerously close to $1 billion market cap, things are starting to pick up for the crypto market, and there's one question left. Can Kaspa, after this hard fork that is coming, finally break past that $1 mark, guys, whether it's sooner or later? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Kaspa and why I'm bullish on it. If you guys are new, welcome back to the Crypto News channel. For all things crypto related, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, just remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. Let's get straight into today's video. So right off the rip here, Kaspa in the last month is down about 3.86%. Now, we did have a little bit of a cheeky run, breaking into that $1 billion range. And if we switch over to market cap here, you can see we actually were holding above it for about a day or so, right? And obviously the market is having a little bit of a pullback right now. Bitcoin hovering around 78,000, Ethereum hovering around 2,100. Kaspa's all-time chart, you can see here, guys. One thing I will say is we peaked in like 2024. We never had a proper bull run like everything else in 2025. We kind of just started pumping prematurely, right, in the bear market, and Kaspa is just one of those cryptos that actually do well in a bear market. So for the remainder of 2026, which in my opinion is a bearish time, in my opinion isn't necessarily the time that, you know, things are going to go up forever, but it is the time that you want to be accumulating. I think that Kaspa is going to perform well. If we've seen it do well in previous bear markets, so I'm led to believe, guys, that this bear market won't be any different. Listen, the tech is there for Kaspa. One thing I will say is that compared to a lot of other layer ones, it doesn't offer as much right away, but they are building, and the building or the layout for it at least is very promising, right? We know that Dakota hard fork is coming down the pipeline, and that's going to make Kaspa you know, more than just something that is fast money, right? Tomorrow, May 18th at 16 o'clock UTC, the Dakota hard fork will be activated on the Kaspa testnet. With the upcoming Kas hard fork on the mainnet, Kaspa will soon be more than just digital money. What the team has achieved in recent years is incredible. Companies would need billions of dollars to create something like this, and they wouldn't come close to something as decentralized as Kaspa. Now, one thing I will say about Kaspa, guys, is they're doing a lot of things right. They recently just hit $2 billion in trading volume. And not just that, guys, 95% of all Kaspa has been mined, and they're trying to make it as decentralized as possible. There was no VC allocation during the token generation or anything like that. There was no pre-sale or pre-mine, nothing like that. It's all fair market, and that is one thing that makes Kaspa kind of stand out. And again, 95% of Kaspa has already been mined already, so that should speak volumes to you. Now, Kaspa is a play that I am currently bullish on, and if you just look at the chart as well, guys, one thing that I will say is we are trying to break out of a very strong resistance area right now that we kind of rejected off of back in March 19th, and it looks like we're hitting that once again, and we're moving towards the downside. Now, we do have a bottom end over here, right? I don't see us dipping that much lower because here, let me try to draw this out here. If we were to draw out a rectangle, right, you can see there's kind of the support area that's forming over here. And if it holds up, guys, then the most drawdown that we will see with Kaspa is potentially about another 16% drop, but there is very strong support at this level over here. Now, hopefully, right, we don't get to this level, but I'm just saying if we do, then expect to be loading up in this area, right? There is very strong buy support here, and I wouldn't be upset at a further accumulation in that area. Listen, if you guys did go on to enjoy that, make sure you guys smash the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to the Crypto News channel. And as always, just remember, you guys, we are not financial advisors here on this channel. We only make videos to entertain you guys. If that has worked, then hey, amazing. Make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the Crypto News channel. Take care, y'all, and peace out.